So hey guys, welcome to my another video. So today we have a topic 5 essential tips to protect and secure your WordPress website. So in this today's digital age, having a WordPress website is essential for business, bloggers and anyone wanting to establish an online presence. However, with great power comes great responsibility, especially when it comes to website security. WordPress websites are prime targets for cyber attacks due to their popularity, making it crucial to prioritize security. WordPress user-friendly interface and robust features have made it to a Go platform. WordPress websites are frequent targets for malicious activities like hacking, data breaches, and malware injection. Therefore, safeguarding your WordPress website is not merely a good practice, but it's an absolute necessity. In this comprehensive guide, I will explore 5 essential tips to protect and secure your WordPress website. These strategies will help you fortify your website against potential threats, ensuring that it remains a safe and reliable digital assets for years to come. Moreover, we'll discuss the tools that you can use to implement these tips and why these topics are crucial for your online security. So the first topic is automate your backups. So why automating backups are crucial? Because it acts as a safety net for your WordPress website. They ensure that your website content settings and databases are regularly and securely stored. In case of an unexpected event like website crash, a cyber attack, or a catastrophic data loss event, automated backups allow you to store your site to a previous stable state effortlessly. So how to implement automated backups? Implementing automated backups can be done with the help of reliable WordPress backup plugins such as Updraft Plus, Backup WUp, or Jetpack. Here's how. Installing the backup plugin of your choice from your WordPress plugin repository. If you want me to recommend one automated backups, then I use Updraft Plus, so you can use that. It's easy to configure and easy to use. Configure the plugin to schedule regular backups and choosing the frequency that aligns with your website frequency. Select a secure storage location for your backups such as Dropbox, Google Drive, or dedicated backup services. So our second step is enabling auto updates. Why enabling auto updates are crucial? Enabling auto updates ensure that your WordPress core themes and plugins are constantly up to date. This is vital for security as updates often contain patches to fix vulnerabilities, enhancing your website protection against potential threats. So what are plugins? Plugins are software components that are added to your site to add some features. So how to enable auto updates? You can enable auto update for your WordPress website through your WordPress dashboard. So go to your WordPress dashboard, click on the updates in the sidebar, configure the auto update settings to your preferences. It's advisable to enable automatic installation for critical updates, including security patches. So our next step to securing our WordPress website is installing a security plugin. Why you need a security plugin? WordPress security plugin function as vigilant guards, continuously monitoring your website for signs of suspicious activities, vulnerabilities, and potential threats. They play a vital role in enhancing your website security. How to install and configure a security plugin? Installing a security plugin is simple. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard, go to plugins in the sidebar, click on the add new and search for a reputable security plugin such as WordFence Security or iTheme Security. Install and activate the chosen security plugins. Configure the plugin settings to enhance your website security. This may include setting up a firewall protection, malware scanning, and login attempting limiting. So our next step to securing our WordPress site is limit admin login access. So why limiting admin login access is crucial? By restricting access to the admin login area, you significantly reduce the risk of an unauthorized access. This is crucial because the default WordPress login URL /wp-admin is a well-known entry point for hackers attempting to gain control of your website. So how to limit admin login access? There are two primary methods to limit admin login access. Change the login URL. Use WordPress plugins like WPS hide login. It's a great plugin. I also use that to change the login URL to something unique and challenging for hackers to guess. Or restrict by IP address. Some hosting providers offer server level solutions that allow you to limit access to the admin area based on specific IP address. Contact your hosting provider for information on this feature. So our last step on securing our WordPress website is using a password manager. Why password manager is indispensable? Managing storing unique passwords for your WordPress website and other online accounts can be a daunting task. Password manager simplify this process by generating and securely storing complex password. So how to use password manager? Here's how to get started with a password manager. Simply choose a reputable password manager such as LastPass, Dashlane or 1Password. Install the password manager on your device and create a master password. Let the password manager generate strong random passwords for your various accounts and securely store them in an encrypted vault. In conclusion, securing your WordPress website is not just about protecting your data. It's about preserving your online identity, reputation, and the trust of your audience. By implementing these 5 essential tips and using the recommended tools, you build a robust defense against potential threats. In the dynamic world of cybersecurity, safeguarding your WordPress website is an ongoing process. So stay vigilant, regularly review and update your security measures, and keep abreast of emerging threats to ensure the longevity of your online presence. Prioritizing security allows you to enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your WordPress website is well protected, and prepare for whatever challenges the digital landscape may present. So if you like this video and the content in this video, please do subscribe and like this video and follow me for more. And I will link other my social media handle in the description. You can connect me there. So yeah, this much for today. I will see you in the next video.